Anurul Khalid, a very talented singer, musician who went from the city Islamabad to see the Times Square's ka billboard. Her song Jhol with Coke Studio is currently standing around 344 million views on YouTube and around 196 million streams on Spotify. She basically started off her career doing covers in her room COVID के टाइम पे और वहाँ से लेके अब तक she's achieved a lot. Despite being so successful in her musical career, she's got a degree as well. She graduated from ComSat Islamabad with a degree in visual communications.
But मेरी degree is visual communication design. So अभी recently we've been doing UI UX. So I think that's pretty interesting. And
You like it?
yeah.
And funny thing, in a podcast with Hamna Rida, she said she's not going to do music professionally.
It's still a hobby, I mean, but I'm not really into, doing concerts. I lack the confidence. I can sing in my room, in my own space and do that, but I can't really, my social skills suck.
Singing going to be your career, or do you have another career path in mind?
No, I don't. It's not like I plan on, making money out of it. Like,
Okay.
Financially, I don't want to be dependent on
this.
music.
ठीक है.
It's just something matlab.
Music karte karte, now she's debuting her UK tour. Also, this video is sponsored by Malvi on Snacks. We sell frozen samosas. हर तरह का फ्लेवर है पिज्जा समोसा चीज़ी टिक्का समोसा मलाई बोटी समोसा एंड पेरी पेरी समोसा वी हैव गॉट आइसक्रीम एज वेल डिलीवरी ऑल ओवर इस्लामाबाद एंड पिंडी बाय बाय और उसके अलावा शी इज़ द बिगेस्ट फीमेल आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान शी इज़ गॉट द मोस्ट मंथली लिसनर्स एक फीमेल आर्टिस्ट के in Pakistan, which is a very, very, very big thing. She collaborated with every big artist from Pakistan. You name it. Shamoon Ismail, Talha Anjum, Manu, Talal Qureshi, Asim Azhar, etc. Basically, the thing is, he was consistent. COVID se leke ab tak, she was constantly dropping hits. She was constantly making music. Whether it be in her room, whether it be covers, basically she was putting something on day-to-day basis. Currently, she's got 6.1 million monthly streams on Spotify, which is a lot. Every time I see her progress, तो हमेशा एक बार टू बार एक increase आ रहा होता है. Whether it be her singles, her songs through any platforms, जैसे Coke Studio इतना बड़ा एक hit हुआ, तला अंजुम के साथ एक collaboration आई. She's always in the charts. इसी तरह I wish her the best. I hope she releases more music. I hope she pushes smaller artists as well अपनी तरह के, because obviously she also started from zero doing covers and all. So yeah, this was like a very mini story about Anurul Khalid, her career and how she got famous. Do follow my YouTube as well. On that note, Mango out.